Hey everybody, welcome back to Martial RC. So things did not go according to plan on Friday when I was supposed to do this video and build at White Rose Hobbies. FedEx didn't get there till a little bit later in the day, and I wasn't able to stick around the shop and do it. So here we are on Saturday at my house, down in my shop, and I'm going to be putting together my SCX10 II kit. I'm not going to be doing a full on bit by bit build series like I am with the White Rose Hobbies truck, again, because I'm already doing one. There's no sense in doing two. However, what I am doing is I'm doing something a little bit differently with this video or this truck and this series. What I'm going to be doing with this is I'm going to film me building it. However, I'm just going to make it real fast, like a time lapse. So if you don't want to watch the whole time lapse, just skip ahead to later on in the video. One thing that I am going to do in this video with this truck is I am going to do a build series on it, in the sense of this is going to be a build series that I've never seen anyone do before, which is it's going to be a maintenance build, or a maintenance free, or however you want to call it. Low maintenance build. This is going to be a low maintenance build. So we're going to do some things during the build, in the build, that are going to help reduce some of the maintenance that a typical crawler is going to need. Of course, we're going to put some upgraded parts in it, so we'll talk about the parts that are in it once it's built or when I upgrade or anything like that. So that's what this is going to be about. So again, stay tuned. If you want to watch the speed, go ahead and watch the speed build. If not, I'll put a link in the description below that you can just click on and jump to whenever it's done, and we go over it once it's done. All right, guys, I will see you when this thing is built. welcome back. So that's it. That was the speed build. This thing is done as far as built. I cut the video after the speed build. I intended to film this this part of the video right after. However, that was not the case. It's actually a couple days later. I was so tired by the time I got that speed build done. It was 2-3 o'clock in the morning. So it's done. I did a little bit more work to it, threw some decals on it, swapped out the front bumper, put a winch on it, light bar, a few other things. I'll give you a quick little rundown on what we have going on. So that's it. I have had it out one time and it ran really good. So just real quick, this is a 3S battery in the back that actually fits perfectly in between the rear shock towers. The rear shock towers and body mount, and it fits perfectly there. It's a 3S short lipo pack that I have. Actually, I have a couple of them. Right here they are. But they fit perfectly. Right now, it's literally just wired to the, well, it's actually not even connected, but wired to the winch. So the winch would be the only thing running off of that. So I'm still in the process of my lights, everything like that. Again, this has the Hobbywing Axe system in it, the 2300 kV, and I will be doing a full review on this and a full comparison between this and the Holmes Hobbies Polar Pro and Mamba X setup. So stay tuned for that. But other than that, guys, that's it for this build. There will be more videos on this thing as it comes, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. As always, please like, share, subscribe, and follow along.